Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss Good morning, student. Welcome back in video session classes. Today I discuss generation of computer for class 5. This is the second chapter. Today I discuss first generation and the second generation. First of all, I discuss first generation. First generation of computer started with using vacuum tube. Are the basic components for the memory and circuit for CPU, Central Processing Unit. Second, these tube like electric bulbs produce a lot of heat and were prone to the frequently using fishing for the installation. Therefore, were very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organization. The third point, in this generation, many batch processing operating systems were used. In this generation, punch card, paper tape, magnetic tape input and output device were used. Some computers of the generation were ENIAC. I have already discussed ENIAC, electronic numerical integrated and computer, and UNIVAC, UNIVAC, universal automatic computer. This is the first generation of computer. First generation, introduction of first generation assembly language vacuum tube. Introduce of assembly language. Second, vacuum tube technology was used to implement logic function. The input and the output used typewriter like input and the output devices. The vacuum tube produce great deal of heat and causing many problems in temperature regulation and climate. The first generation computer were used during 1942 to 1955. The first generation computer were used during 1942 to 1955. They were based on the vacuum tube, which was a glass tube that controlled and amplified the electronic signal, consumed more power with limited performance. They have to the high cost, using assembly language to prepare programs. They were translated into machine level language for execution. This is the first generation of the computer. Second generation start 1958 to 1964. The age of transistor. First generation vacuum tube, but the second generation now start for the transistor, which is a small device that transfers electronic signal across a resistors. The concept of mini computer was introduced. Example of the IBM 7094 series, IBM 1400 series, and the CDC i64, etc. What is the advantage of the second generation of computer? The first advantage, the small size as compared to the first generation computer, and the second advantage, more reliable. This is the second generation. Example of the second generation computer, IBM 305 RA MSc 1956 was the first commercial computer that used a moving head hard disk drive, magnetic disk storage for secondary storage. RAMAC stand for Random Access Method of Accounting and Control. I again repeat, RAMAC, Random Access Method of Accounting and Control. The second, IBM 1401, was a variable world length decimal computer that was announced by IBM on October 5, 1959. The fourth, the CDC 6600, was a mainframe computer from Control Data Corporation, the first delivered in 1964. It remained the world the fastest computer from 1964 to 1965. Conclusion of the second generation computer. Second generation computer had more capability the first generation of the computer and were more widely used by the business people.